Oh yeah, back at it again. Catch and cook. Wow, the water's actually really clear. I'm sorry, but whoa, it looks different from last time. It's not dirty for once. But anyways, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. We made it out to the river. We're gonna do some rock bass fishing. I want some rock bass for dinner. Let's make it happen. Stay tuned. And I forgot to grab my rod. Look, I'll see you guys on the water. We're already here. All right, it will help if I bring my rod with me, right? Do some fishing. I'm gonna check under this little stretch right here. See if there's anything here. Oh, a little large one just came by. There's some dead beds around here, so it's gonna be interesting. I call this the opossum spot. There's like an opossum that lives here. It's creepy. He always hisses at me when I come in here. Ugh. Yeah, by the way, I put some Flex Seal on my waders. Today's the day I find out if it works. If it actually works. Oh, that's a big smallie, dude. Dang, I just spooked a smallie. Oh, I feel water going into my shoes. No. It's not working. Dude, there's one right here. Got him. That's a nice one. Yep. That's a nice one. Oh yeah. It's a good rock bass. I'm not gonna keep the ones on the bed, but I am gonna keep the ones that I do catch randomly, like by the rocks. See ya, buddy. Got one. It's a nice rock bass, dude. Nice rock bass. Just keep her. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Dude, that's a thick one. Good eater. Look at this. Beautiful fish. Yep, we'll keep them. Good eats. Got one. I didn't even notice. Ooh, it's another nice one. Don't want a skinnier size, we're gonna let it go. It's pretty though. It's shiny. That's a nice fish. It's a nice one. Oh, just a fighter actually. Oh yeah, this one's nice. Wow. Look at this guy. Thick. We'll keep two just in case. You can just tell from the back of them, you know. If they got a nice back to it, oh yeah. Well, something big just broke me off, guys. I don't know what it was. Got him. That's a smallie. Yeah, that's a smallie. It's not a big smallie, but it's a fighter down the river. Oh yeah. Yep, dudes like this will break you off. Oh, chunky dude. Wow, you are thick. Thick as heck, dude. Oh, geez, okay. See, go over here. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, he broke me off too. Dang, these fish are strong, dude. What the heck? I'm fishing ultralight rod. And these fish are just cutting it like there's no tomorrow. Holy cow. Are they that aggressive today? They weren't like this last week. No one dragging that tight. Got him. Oh my god, that's a nice rock bass. That's why. Whoa! Huge. Oh my god, this guy's huge. Let's go! Oh my gosh. Bruh. Yeah, we ain't keeping no more unless they're this size right here. Guys. Unfreaking believable. You guys see that? Inhale that tube. This is why they're, look at the teeth on that thing. This is why they're cutting lines like crazy. Oh yeah, I'm keeping you for sure, buddy. You are coming with me. Wow, one last look. Look at this. Absolute hog. Look at all the meat on that thing. Ah, got bit by a bug. Look at that. Crazy. Wow. You don't even see them coming out from anywhere. They just like show up and they just destroy, dude. Got hit. No, it's not bad. They're just cruising there. Got him. Rock bass. It's not a big one, but oh yeah, it's still nice actually. Oh my gosh. Wow, dude. Dude, it's still a nice one, man. Say less. No, this one was just by a rock. It wasn't on the bed, so I'll take it. It's crazy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Spawn came out of nowhere. You guys saw that? Jeez. That was cool. Oh geez, he's under my leg, he's under my leg. Still checking my camera here. Here he comes. Dude, I was just retrieving this thing back and I got wrecked by a stocky smallmouth bass. I was not ready for that. Holy cow, scared me. Nice fish. So what I'm using this light tube jig head here because it's so shallow. Yeah, it's just naturally fluttering into the river. Like, there's a lot of them, dude. Oh my gosh, look at, oh dude, it popped off. Okay, see, I need to tighten up my drag now. What the heck? So what the heck is going on today? There we go. That's a rock bass. That's a nice rock bass, but we're not gonna keep them. I want the big ones. Just gonna mess around here for a little bit. I'm gonna go search for big ones. Got one. It's a smallmouth bass. Yep, it's a runner. Oh yeah. Oh, don't come under me. Look at him go. Look at him go. Yep. Downstream. Jeez, buddy. Try so hard. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is too much fun, man. Sheesh, and held it. My goodness. Look at the chin. That's how you know they're feeding at the bottom. See ya, buddy. So much fun. There's so many fish here. Why? There we go. Oh, it's a little guy. That's why. Dude, it hit us so freaking hard. Thanks for the release. Alright, come on. Give me a big one. Oh, little dude again. That's why I like red worms, because they actually eat it and they hold on to it. There we go. Got him. That's a rock bass. Yep. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, that's a nice one actually. Ooh. No complaints. We're gonna let it go because we already got four good ones. Ah, he bit my finger. Yeah. There we go. It's another rock bass. Loaded. It's amazing. Jeez. Did not look that deep, man. Holy cow. That's a nice fish. Oh, jeez. Smalty. Just gonna net him so he doesn't break me off while I try to unhook him. Yay, he unhooked himself. Nice. Okay, now. Definitely gotta retie. Got him. That's a nice one. That's a nice smallie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What the heck? Where do you come from? Bro. I did not expect to catch you. Wow. I just saw a shadow move and I thought it was a rock bass. I just pitched it over and he grabbed it. Oh, he jumped right into the net. That's a nice smallie. Holy cow, dude. Amazing. And it popped off. Beautiful bedfish, I guess. What the heck? Alright, so into the bucket they go. So now we're gonna bleed them while we go home. A couple minutes. That's a nice rock bass. So underrated. Look at this big old thing. Only kept 4. That's all I need. 8 fillets. You know, fillets not huge, but you know, good eaters. Perfect size. I was gonna go and check out that other spot, but you know what? I'm gonna save it for next time. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna cook this fish up. Let's make some fish fry out of it. I do have some batter left, so I'll see you guys back at home. That was fun. Caught a ton of fish. It's time to eat. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got our fish fry right here. It is still pretty hot, so I'm letting the fan cool it off right now, but check that out. Look how gold and crispy and like, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Just how crispy it is. I can't wait. I think I can eat this part right here. It's still really hot, so. Oh. Hot. But it's nice. Perfect. Man. So let me tell you guys this. The texture of rock bass, it is very similar to crappie and bluegills together. Okay? It doesn't break apart as fast as bluegill, but it also holds itself together like a crappie. That make any sense. If you prep it right, you can't say no to it. Absolutely amazing. This is my secret sauce, which is that Japanese mayo, I forgot what it's called, and ketchup. Just mix it up. Man, look at that. Woo-wee. Oh my gosh. Rock bass over bluegills and crappies any day, hands down. I was so hungry too. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my dinner, my fish fry, and you guys continue to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I really appreciate you guys and I love you guys. Oh, nice. Catch and cook is my favorite. It's just so delicious. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.